There's opportunities like that.
We're about to settle something here as well. Blé and Kalalou.
I
Blé and Kalalou, which is the one that you would eat?
I don't think I would eat either. I don't really like blé. I don't. I prefer mamunen. So if you said blé mamunen, that'd be
Mayimoulen?
mamunen, but I don't really like
I
blé.
like okay.
Ou manje kalalou?
No, not really.
Okay,
Okay.
you're good then, because neither one of like I don't like Blé, he don't like Kalalou. So
Okay.
I guess that like we can continue.
Okay, perfect.
So I'm assuming you cook. You said your food is good. You're Florida, from Florida. What
I don't say I cook.
you said your
I
flavor.
say that I eat good.
Oh,
So I eat what other people cook. Upa ka man din pou fe manje Haitian. You can even ask me to cook like regular food. Like I'm not good at that stuff.